Oh, what you're seeing here is the Canadian Samaritans of Africa, also known as CSA, where we build on the assets of African women. Come and join us for our 5th annual Canadian African Awareness and Charity Dinner with the president of the South Sudanese Bishop Conference, Bishop Hubiro Kasala, who's a peacemaker and a humanitarian. This event will also include silent and live auctions, live entertainment and concerts, DJs and dancing, that will feature drummer Amado Kianu. This entire event will occur on Saturday, November 3rd, 2018 from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. at the Swega Banquet Hall, which is located at 6991 Milk Creek Drive in Mississauga, Ontario. To enter, you must have an entry ticket which costs $55 for one person and $50 for a couple. There's also a raffle draw happening and the price is at the entrance door.